If you need to charge your 18650 battery, you can use any charger. But if your batteries are overly discharged below 3 volt, then a normal charger cannot charge those batteries. This charger have capability at MC1 Plus. This can recharge those overly discharged battery which are below 3 volt. But if there are more than one cells dies in a tool battery like 2 or 3 or 4, then I have to use the same charger multiple times. For that, I built a different solution. Here is a rig that I made. This rig I have used TP4056 module, which can also bring overly discharged batteries back to life. What I did, I put 6 of them. Normally there are 5 batteries in a tool battery, but sometime one of the tool battery I have, it had 6 of them, so I just built up to 6s. So with those, I also put 6 meters to show each battery's charging voltage individually. I added a balance cable. That's a 6S balance cable, so I can charge up to 6S batteries at the same time. That can wake up all those batteries all together. For this to be used, all we need is balance cable. I temporarily connected a balance cable so I can bring this up. Now, each of this module have to have a separate power source. So normally, because these boards are powered by a USB-C port, so I have connected, basically I can connect up to 6 ports. Right now I've connected 5 with the different chargers, like 5 different chargers. But I'm planning to add isolated power supply for each separately. And as you can see, all the batteries are almost fully charged, all brought back to life. By the way, I have added a balance port and XT60 port to this battery permanently. In this way, if this battery ever get imbalanced, I can use the balance port and charge it, or if one of the cell dies, I can use the balance port to wake up that cell. So I don't have to every time put the balance port back to connect it to this rig. Every amplifier have 3 components: a speaker, an amp, and a battery. And I like to use tool batteries, and this is one of the problem with tool batteries, that sometimes one of the cell dies, and this is my solution to revive all those batteries. I'll make an updated video when I add the isolated power supply for each of them, 6 of them, so it'll be all fully contained. I don't have to use those USB cables. So this can be all just powered by normal 110 volt and self-contained unit. As you can see here, the third cell in this pack have 1.9 volt, which is below 3 volt and is overly discharged, and that was brought back to life. So this was actually a Samsung Blu-ray player. I don't use this anymore, so I reuse this box. So once I add built-in 6 isolated power supply, this will be like a fully self-contained unit. So I don't have to use this USB cables. So I'm planning to use this power supply, the isolated modules. This is the one that can be powered with the DC. As you can see, 12 volt to 80 volt DC, and it will downgrade it to 5 volt, which is required for each module. And I can use 6 of these. Or I'm thinking about the one unit. This is powered by AC. Let me show you that. So these units are powered by AC volt, so I can use 110 volt. So I haven't decided I want to power it up with the 110 volt, or I want to power it with the DC, maybe like 12 volt I can give it. So either way, so we got options. So I have to put 6 of these or the other ones to give it each isolated power supply, and that will be a complete unit. So what do you guys think of this build, along of course all of my boom boxes? Leave a comment.